before, welcome back. Mrs. Powell here, and thanks to everybody who shared me in on their fantastic artwork last week. They were fantastic. So I've got a surprise for you this week, and it's right in here. I have got some beautiful baby bunnies. Can you see? Okay, we took in a abandoned mummy rabbit who'd been abandoned by the side of the road. Little did we know she was actually pregnant, and about 11 days ago she gave birth to 3 beautiful healthy bunnies. So come and have a look. Unsurprisingly, today's art activity has been inspired by rabbits, and today we're going to explore texture and we're going to create a textured rabbit drawing. So let me show you how it's done. So you're going to start your textured bunny drawing by drawing a circle near the bottom of your paper. Let me show you. So it's really important not to press on too hard with your pencil, because a lot of these lines are going to be erased, and if you press on too hard, that's going to be a bit difficult to do. Okay, so there's my circle. I guess if you really wanted to, you could draw around something, as long as it's not too big. Okay, now we're going to draw the sort of nose of our bunny. So the nose is just a shape like that. Okay, and then the mouth comes round like that. Just even that out a bit. Okay, so the nose there. I'm going to be going over this with pen, so I just wanted you guys to see how that works. Then the rabbit's face is sort of, the shape of the head is a little bit like a pear shape. So I'm just going to start by drawing a curve up here. This is going to be the top of that pear shape. Curve like that. Okay, and then now I'm going to draw the rest of the shape of the head like this. Doesn't matter if some of your lines crisscross each other, you can erase them at the end. And then just join that up so it looks symmetrical. Okay, now we're going to get the forehead in. The forehead's just like a little line that goes around the eye like that and joins the nose like that. Okay, then we'll put the eyes in. Nice, 2 nice ovals for the eyes like that. Let's put his shoulders in, so shoulder like that, shoulder like that, and finally we're going to put the ears in. So the ears just start about there, and then a line that's a little bit tapered comes wider like that, and the same on the other side. Okay, now once you've got this stage, you are just going to put a series of lines all over your drawing so that we can add texture, and I'll speed this process up, but you get the idea. So I've outlined the entire drawing with black pen, and now I'm ready to add texture. So I'm going to use a black pen. You can use whichever colour you would like, but it's important to get the texture of your lines going in the correct direction to give it that sense of form. Let me show you. So I'm just getting the pen to go round the rabbit's nose like that, but on these lines I'm going to change direction. So in between your pencil lines, you are just going to do your lines all the way over your rabbit. I'm just adding the final lines to my bunny picture. Then I'm going to erase all the pencil marks. I finished textured bunny drawing, And if you'd like to share your work with me, don't forget to put it onto your art portfolio, which is on the Google Classroom. So good luck with this activity and keep drawing.